Should female footballers even be paid at all?
Yes.
Yes, we should.
The time, the effort, the commitment, the skill, the dedication.
I'm going to assume this is probably like a Jack 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with an egg for a picture.
I'm not even going to bite to that one.
Good and women's football should not be in the same sentence. Actually, you've just put them both in the same sentence, so that's on you.
Get back to the kitchen!
Wow, it's not the first time I've heard that.
Whoever wrote this, mate, I can't cook. Never have been able to, never will.
Or get back to your keyboard, you know, because that's probably where you're really good at. I mean, when no one's in front of you.
I'll stick to football and you can go in the kitchen.
It was only a matter of time before they started taking over our beautiful game. I'm sure women actually made the game more beautiful, to be fair.
Women shouldn't be allowed to play sports or vote. It's far too dangerous to leave in their hands.
Ooh, this one's from the dark ages.
Why are you bringing voting into this? I don't understand.
I've really tried with women's football, thank you.
Women can't shoot. They basically pass the ball into the net. They can't tackle or anything. They should just stick to their strengths, gymnastics and dancing.
Gymnastics and dancing require a lot of strength and ability.
The only thing women deserve to be doing on a field is cheerleading for men.
Women should not be involved in men's football.
Football is not a male thing.
It doesn't really matter what sex you are. If you know about football, you know about football.
That match, but it was out of context if I just gave it to you.
Is it Weight Watchers' second team? Wow.
Oh, wow.
I just yeah.
Oh my God, someone said this.
I can't even go there. I mean, come on now. Are you really wasting your time on the internet to write that?
People have feelings. Whoever wrote this tweet, I think you need to relook at it and probably apologise because it's disgusting.
Trying to put someone down because they're doing something that they love. It's not big, it's not smart, it's not funny. This says more about who you are as a person than anybody else.
It crosses the line of bullying, and I really think you need to have a look at yourself because you could potentially really hurt someone. And I really hope you never have social media ever again. Have a nice day.
Think before you share. We can all play a part in tackling misogyny offline and online.
Think about how the person is receiving the abuse.
Meddwl cyn rhannu. Gallwn ni gyd chwarae rhannu herio casineb tuag at ferched, ar-lein ac oddi ar-lein.
Take care of yourself and others. If you see negative, hurtful or inappropriate comments, block and report them.